Hi everyone. I have clay soil, and this area in my garden was struggling last year to grow any healthy plants at all. And here is the same area this year, growing beautiful healthy plants. I took 3 steps to fix it, and that is what today's video is about. Before I dive into my 3-step process, please allow me 5 seconds to share the joy of growing these beautiful plants. I have mustard, kale, and chard growing here. The other day, I came here to grab some salad, but ended up harvesting a meal worth of leaves. I am very happy with the results here. Okay, let's begin. The beds that I have here are actually no-dig beds, so they sit on top of the clay soil. I ordered compost from a local company, but they delivered me very fine wood chips instead. And that is what I spread here in fall of 2021. The problem with wood chip is that it needs time to break down and it consumes nitrogen during this process. So last year, even though I supplemented my plants with additional nitrogen sources, they had stunted growth. Although in half of the bed I was able to grow parsnip and I did a good harvest from it. Probably because parsnips have long fur system and it's able to tap deeper for nutrients. So the first thing that I did last year was to grow some cover crop in this area. I grew daikon radish and white mustard. I did get good germination, but the plants were affected by the cabbage fly. However, the important thing is that the roots of those plants start microbial activity in the soil, even if it is at a small scale. Because plants release some form of carbohydrates in soil which is loved by microorganisms, and in return, the microorganisms help break down nutrients and make it available to the plants. So, microorganisms love sugar too. The second thing that I did was to top this bed with my homemade compost. I make this compost in this tumbler composter using my kitchen waste. I have covered the whole process in a separate video and I will link it in description. And by the way, the homemade compost turned out to be high in NPK. I ran soil test on it. I will link that video in description as well. The third thing I did in late winter was to spread this area with nearly 2 cups of organic chicken manure. Remember that I put the same nitrogen source last year, but that alone did not fix the problem. It was all consumed by the wood chip. Anyways, I did not till it in. I just let snow and rain take care of breaking it down and carrying it around. Then in spring, I transplanted my seedlings. The wood chip had also broken down into nice friable texture now. So that helps the roots to spread. And because it sits on top of clay soil, the plants still have a nice layer of organic rich soil to grow on. I'm linking the how to make compost at home video on screen for you to check it out. And I'm going to make something out of these leaves. Maybe I will share some with my neighbor because this is too much. It's a nice problem to have. If you found value in this video, please like and subscribe. It truly makes a difference. Thanks for watching.